Once upon a time, the world lost its colors. But you can bring them back. One step, one dance, one smile at a time. Wow, look at this place. Everything is gray. The trees are gray, the sky is gray. The little houses are gray. But wait, who is that over there? It's a friend named Baki. Hi, Baki. Baki is holding something very special. It's a paintbrush. Baki looks right at us and suddenly has an idea. Maybe, just maybe, if we wiggle, dance, and cheer really loud, we can bring the colors back. Do you want to help Baki on a color quest? Yay! We are going to be color detectives. Our mission, find all the colors and paint the world with happiness. Baki holds the blank paintbrush up high, ready for the first color. Are you ready? Let's get our wiggles ready and our cheering voices on. Together, we can do it. Step 1. Red. Red like a racing car. Jump and clap. Racing car wiggle. Hooray for red. Step 2. Orange. Orange like a juicy mango. Spin and point. Let's do the mango spin. Hooray for orange. Step 3. Yellow. Yellow like the morning sun. Wave your arms like sunshine. Sunshine twinkle. Hooray for yellow. Step 4. Green. Green like a jungle leaf. Sway like a leaf. Leafy sway. Hooray for green. Step 5. Blue. Blue like the deep ocean. Swim it out. Ocean wave. Hooray for blue. Step 6. Purple. Purple like a royal crown. Bow and clap. Grape stomp. Yay for purple. Step 7. Pink. Pink like cotton candy. Twirl and smile. Piglet wiggle. Hooray for pink. Step 8. Brown. Brown like a teddy bear. Hug yourself. Chocolate melt. Hooray for brown. Step 9. Black. Black like a starry night. Look up and stretch. Tire roll. Hooray for black. Step 10. White. White like a snowflake. Spin slowly. Cloud float. Hooray for white. We are halfway there. Step 11. Turquoise. Turquoise like tropical waves. Wave and jump. Gemstones sparkle. Hooray for turquoise. Step 12. Indigo. Indigo like twilight skies. Slow sway. Feel the indigo. Hooray for indigo. Step 13. Lime. Lime like zesty fruit. Shake and clap. Sour pucker. Hooray for lime. Step 14. Maroon. Maroon like autumn leaves. Twist and reach. Comfy wiggle. Hooray for maroon. Step 15. Indigo navy. Navy like a sailor's suit. Aye aye, sailor salute. Hooray for navy. Step 16. Silver. Silver like moonlight. Slide and point. Spoon scooping. Hooray for silver. Step 17. Gold. Gold like treasure. Reach and shine. Pirate jig. R. Hooray for gold. Step 18. Magenta. Magenta like a beautiful flower. Open your hands like petals. Flower bloom. Hooray for magenta. Step 19. Teal. Teal like peacock feathers. Flap your arms. Peacock strut. Hooray for teal. Step 20. Rainbow. Rainbow like you. Freestyle. Your rainbow dance. We did it! We found all 20 colors. Baki is so happy. The paintbrush is full of color. Colors connect us. From Addis to Tokyo, from Lima to London, your colors matter. Now it's your turn. Share your favorite color and dance move. Tag your friends. Let's color the world together. Thank you for going on this color quest with me and Baki. Bye-bye.